In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see your Instagram like history. So if you have liked photos, videos, IGTVs, etc. and you want to know which ones you have liked, you can see them all within Instagram. So first of all, what you'll need to do is head over to your Instagram app. Once you open up Instagram, obviously you'll be on your home feed here, and from here you'll need to click on your profile picture in the bottom right hand corner of your screen. Once you click on that, you can then select the three lines in the top right hand corner. Once you select that, you need to select settings. And once you select settings, as you can see around the middle of the screen, there is now an option for account. If you click on account, what you can do is you can scroll down until you find an option for posts you've liked. Once you click on posts you've liked, as you can see, all of the posts, IGTVs, videos, etc. will be listed under this section here. So that's how you can go ahead and see all of your liked content on Instagram, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.